Hi guys, welcome back. Let's just start from the beginning. And the one place we were very confident, demo day. Well, more like demo week, but you get the point. The day we got the keys, we had already bought some supplies. One of the things we knew we had to do was remove a bunch of wallpaper. So we bought some wallpaper removal and some scrapers. The first idea we had for the living room was to remove this closet. Eventually we want to add French doors, but we had to get rid of the closet first. We started with just removing the drywall, the doors, the built-in fish tank, so we could see the 2x4s, which made things a little bit easier when trying to figure out where you needed to hammer to remove everything safely. And now that we removed that, we were really feeling good about ourselves, so we moved on to the master bedroom, where there was a wall that divided that and a little laundry room, which we planned to make all one big room. But we were quickly stopped by metal drywall, which I now know is how they used to drywall. It's plaster over metal lath, and it was very hard to remove. I really couldn't do all of it by myself, so I did what I could, and then I had to call the big dog in, because the pieces that were attached to the ceiling were pretty much impossible to get down. So he took a hammer and a chisel and he made a line and separated it, and then they came off a lot easier. My pap has taught me the basics with electrical, but I still find it just safest to shut the main box completely off when removing old lines. We got the entire wall down to just the studs. And then we realized, unless we made the wall wider, we weren't going to be able to fit a king bed in here. So we had to reshape the wall and take away some of the walk-in closet and then relocate the closet door. But now we had a big wide open room. And then we also realized we have no clue how to fix this big hole up here. But let's just move on to the bathroom, where everything was outdated and just covered in wallpaper. So we called some of our friends over to help us scrape, which really made things go a lot quicker. We had to remove the soffit above the sink, the old nasty vanity, which was very rusted in place, and then there was a wall next to the shower and an outdated green tub, which also needed to go. Now that we had everything gutted, it was a blank canvas for us to do whatever we wanted. And last up, the kitchen. The plan was to just raise that middle wall up to make it look like a beam. But I convinced Trey we should remove the wall on the right because it made the rooms feel enclosed. And this was not an easy removal. And that wall on the right ended up being attached to the soffit. So I said we should just remove the soffit. Again, not easy. And then we had to remove the cabinets to completely remove the soffit, which left massive holes on the walls and ceiling. And remember, we didn't know how to fix that yet. But it was a great first week, and we finished it off with a couple trips to the dump. And we have a lot planned for our home. Please subscribe to our channel and follow our journey.